Hello students, let's we learn from our main course book subject ES chapter number 13 and the chapter name is sharing our feelings. In this chapter there was Seema. She said, I am Seema, I am studying in third standard. After returning home from school, there was two people with whom I like to share all my news. They enjoy listening to my tales. There was Seema and the Seema studying in third standard, and after returning home she likes to share all her tales to two people. Now the first person is my Nani. दो पीपल में फर्स्ट कौन है? नानी. द फर्स्ट पर्सन इज माई नानी. शी इज ऑलवेज एंशियस टू लिसन टू मी एंड शी वेट्स फॉर मी टू रिटर्न फ्रॉम स्कूल. शी इज क्वाइट ओल्ड एंड ऑफ्टन हैज़ बैक पेन एंड शी कैन नॉट सी और हियर वेल. द नानी cannot see and hear well. Then after every day in the morning, Papa reads the newspaper aloud to her. Why? Because she cannot see and she does the rest of her work herself. After that, rest of all work she do herself, and if someone try to help her, she gets very upset. Though she cannot see properly, she is very fond of cutting vegetables. She said, these days children do not know how to cut vegetables properly. Now first person Nani and the second person is my Ravi Bhaiya. First person Nani and the second one is Ravi Bhaiya. He lives with us. He lives with Seema and her Nani with all. I call him Ravi Bhaiya and he calls my parents Bhaiya and Bhabi. सीमा रवि को क्या बोलती है? रवि भैया. एंड रवि भैया सीमा के मम्मी पापा को भैया एंड भाभी. So she do not know what their relationship, but he is very loving. He is always ready to answer her questions. He never says I will tell you later. Then after Ravi Bhaiya teach in a college. Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a college. That Ravi Bhaiya's students of the college respect him a lot. Ravi Bhaiya is very fond of listening to music and chatting with his friends and going out with them also. And after he has a good sense of humor and make all of us laugh. So first person Nani and the second Ravi Bhaiya. Nani cannot see and hear well, and Ravi Bhaiya also cannot see and hear. So let's talk about Seema's brother means Ravi Bhaiya. Bhaiya carries a white stick with him when he goes out. जब वो बाहर जाते तो क्या लेते? White sticks. Then look at him moving around in the house. No one can say that he cannot see. उनको देख के घर पे जब वो चलते हैं तब वो कोई ये नहीं बोलता कि वो क्या है, देख नहीं सकते. So he likes to do all his work himself, and if someone try to help him against his wish, he gets angry. If someone try to help him against his wish, then he gets angry. And whenever he needs any help, he asks for him. And some of Bhaiya's students take book from him and returned them after recording on tapes. Ravi Bhaiya listened to these tapes and he has many other books also. The pages of these books are thick and have row of raised point. A raised point means dots, and he reads by running his fingers on the raised dots. Why? Because he cannot see. And to have fun with Bhaiya, I sometimes change the place of his stick. कभी कभी खेलने के लिए, फन करने के लिए भैया के साथ सीमा क्या करती थी? उनका स्टिक छुपा देती थी. He does not get upset but never gets, he does get upset. वो upset होते थे but never gets angry. गुस्सा नहीं करते. After all, I am his favorite sister. Who is his favorite sister? Seema. And I had hardly reached the door that Bhaiya spoke up. Seema, you seem to be very happy today. Then after Bhaiya recognizes not only me but all the family members from the sound we make as we move. He can even tell whether I am happy or not. Without saying, Ravi Bhaiya can tell that Seema happy or sad. And then after Seema said to Bhaiya, finally I am in the football team. Who said? Seema to Ravi Bhaiya. Then I shared my news with him. उसने क्या किया? सीमा ने अपना न्यूज़ था वो किसके साथ शेयर किया? रवि भैया के साथ. Then after Ravi Bhaiya patted him and said lovely. Who said? Bhaiya said to Seema, lovely, from today you are my football coach. It means from today Seema is football coach of him. So students, how Ravi Bhaiya read and write though he was not able to see. This way, there is a special way of reading and writing for people who cannot see, and it is called Braille. It is written on a thick paper by making a row of raised point with a pointed tool, and Braille is read by running the fingers on the raised dots. So students, how and who invented Braille? And it was invented by Louis Braille, and he belongs to France. One day when he was 3 years old, he was playing with his father's tool, and suddenly a pointed tool hurt his eyes and he lost his eyesight. After that, he had keen interest in study. Even he lost his eyesight, he interested in studies, although he was not able to see, and he did not give up. He kept thinking of different ways to read and write. Finally, he found a way. Then after reading by touching and feeling, this way of reading later came to be known as the Braille script. And in this type of a script, a row of raised dots are made on a thick paper. Because these dots are raised, they can be read by running the fingers on them. And in this script is based on 6 point. This script is based on 6 point, and it undergoes many changes these days. This has made reading and writing simple. Now Braille can also be written using the computer. Here are some fill in the blanks of this chapter. First one, the Braille script is based on how many points? 6 points. Now, second number, Louis Braille invented the Braille script. Third number, Seema was selected for the which team? Football team. Now, fourth number, the dash script is read by running one's finger on raised dots. Which script? Braille. The Braille script is read by running one's fingers on raised dots. Now, 5 number. Nowadays, Braille can even be written with the help of computer. Now, here next, write true or false. First number, Seema's nanny cannot hear well, so the newspaper has to be read aloud. That is true. Second, Ravi Bhaiya teaches children in a school. False. Now here one. Third, a blind person can recognize a person as soon as he or she sees the person. False. 4. Fingers are used to read the Braille script. That is true. Fingers are used to read the Braille script. Number 5, we can recognize all the things only by touching or feeling them. False. Next one, there are special schools for blind children. It is true. Now, last 4, old people, the stick is as useful as their legs. Here also true. So, we read this, fill in the blanks and true false with answer. First, fill in the blanks. The Braille script is based on 6 points. Louis Braille invented the Braille script. Sorry, here first number 6 dots. Here 6 dots. Now third number, Seema was selected for the football team. The Braille script is read by running one's finger on raised dots. Nowadays, Braille can even be written with the help of computer. Now, true or false? Seema's nanny cannot hear well, so the newspaper has to be read aloud. True. Ravi Bhaiya teaches children in a school falls. A blind person can recognize a person as soon as he or she sees the person falls. Fingers are used to read the Braille script. True. We can recognize all the things only by touching or feeling them. False. There are special schools for blind children. True. For old people, the stick is as useful as their leg. True. So dear students, there may be people living in our area who cannot see. So they are known as blind people like Ravi Bhaiya. And these types of disability may be present from birth itself or may happen when eyesight is lost due to some accident. And about 3% of the people living in our country are blind. Such children should be sent to special schools meant for the blind right from their childhoods, and so that they can learn easily with the help of the Braille script. And this script known as Braille script जो blind person use करते हैं. And such children and even adults are also taught with the help of the Braille scripts, so that they can learn with the help of their fingers by touching and feeling and study more. So this was all in this chapter. I hope you all understand. So read these all chapters at your home and do exercises of it.